Hello and welcome to my channel EPSC. In the last video I have explained you what is about the MTO. So today I will know about BOM. First I like to differentiate between what is the MTO and BOM. So in the last video I have explained you what exactly is MTO. So MTO we do like a material takeoff and what is the reason of the taking the material takeoff. It's just like to have to purchase all the products and we have to keep in the warehouse. So when I started the erection, so I don't have to be wait for my products. I have to be come from the vendors, and we have to give all the quantity and everything, like how much wall it should be, if we have a good big project, so the wall also the quantity should be more than 100, 200, 300 walls and 400. How much the wall it should be, it depends upon all the size, and the elbows are there, T's are there, so everything we have to give to the manufacturer, and we have a lot of manufacturers and vendor also. So it will take also like 6 months, 4 months to be get ready all the products, and it's come to on the side. So it simultaneously the design work is going also, it will there. And because we are taking a MTO before we start the design and engineering work, so we can give order to the vendor or manufacturer to get the ready with all my products. So now what exactly is the BOM? So why is both are differentiate between? Because when we take a MTO, the MTO we take for purchase our product. So it's just to give, just get a clear idea. Just the MTO is just like we are purchasing a product, okay, and we are just keeping on the warehouse. So what exactly a BOM? So BOM is when we extract isometric. So you can see in the picture. So you can see this is the isometric, and when you go to the right hand side, you can see is a bill of material. Okay, so what is the use of a bill of material? So this is exactly the material is listed over here. So what line I have extracted from here, same product it will show over this side, and this will be very helpful to the fabricator to get the product from the warehouse, and he will do a fabrication as per this bill of material. So you can see over here, like we have different sections over here. So like the upper part over here is a fabrication material, and this is a erection material. So what is the difference between both of these? So first of all, you just have to get the idea, like the BOM means it comes into the isometric. When you extract the isometric of whatever line you have, so you extract that isometric, so you will automatically get the BOM also. See, it depends upon how much products are there in your line. If you have a T, valve, whatever the lines you are extracting, so what are the product is there, so every product it will comes over here. It comes like it's display over here, and it give you all the material what is there in the line. So I just give you the idea, like what is this fabrication material and what is the erection material. The fabrication material means this is all the material which I will use on the workshop. The workshop means this is a pipe, it will cut, okay. So this is all the list to whom is very helpful. So this all the quantity, then everything, it is helpful to a fabricator, okay. So this is all, this isometric is goes to fabricator, and as per this, when you see, you can see this all the dimension, all the wall flange, this is all the dimension. So as per this all the dimension, see this is a one line, okay. So I am a fabricator, so I got this isometric. So what I do, I start doing a fabrication work. So I got this is a spool piece, this is one, and this is a dimension 890. The 890 is means elbow to elbow, okay. The center to center is a 890, okay. So what I will do, I'll just